Would you rather go on a first date to a fancy restaurant or a casual food truck festival?
Modern dating, it's hilarious, dude. Like, what is happening? The provider energy is like, I got you, babe.
Vibe तभी match होती है when your intellectuality, emotional intelligence match. They're super close with their mom and call her every day to update her on your relationship. Once a cheater, always a cheater.
I bet.
I have a phase कि जो मेरे को बाहर जाना है, I want to have fun, मेरे को वीकेंड पे घर नहीं बैठना है. पर अगर मैं घर पे बैठ गई हूँ एक बारी वीकेंड पे ना नो कि ये हो रहा है, फिर मैं घर पे बैठी रहूँगी. In Toronto right now, the culture is shifting to more of coffee parties rather than club parties.
Insane. All I'm looking for is a companion to go out on cute dates with.
Hi guys, this is Sim.
This is Garish.
And welcome to
another episode of the GG Unplugged podcast.
And today, बहुत ही बढ़िया episode है. We were contemplating this episode from so long, if you remember, right? And now we're like, चलो, we will do this. We shall do it. Don't judge us in this episode, but yeah. If you want to judge us, please judge us.
Go for it. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं about how messed up modern dating is.
Yes, it is modern dating. Okay, so before coming here, I asked ChatGPT, of course, what is modern dating like? And उसने कुछ few terms दिए, you know, breadcrumbing, situationships, a lot of other things.
Yeah.
And मैंने परसों के, I think last week I saw a reel जहाँ पे there was a lot of terms given to relationship और जो कुछ भी चल रहा है. And I'm like, I don't even know that myself
मेरे
except
को भी नहीं पता, bro. The other day also somebody was talking. I'm like, what is that? Love bombing and all that. And I'm like, I am super millennial in that sense. I have no clue.
we have no clue.
You said breadcrumbing. I've never heard of that shit.
I think breadcrumbing
What
is
is
like
that?
कि
I'm
ना वो
curious.
आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा you know affectionate and love देते हैं just so you can survive on that level.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा देते हैं then they move away,
Yeah,
then
back
थोड़ा
up.
सा फिर देते हैं फिर they move away, like you know how आप
So shitty though.
pets को थोड़ा थोड़ा डालते हो.
That's how you train them.
Yeah, it's basically that breadcrumbing, थोड़ा थोड़ा देना. And then situationship is like you are dating, you are doing
Yeah.
everything, and then you're just not official, and you I think still have feelings for each other,
Yeah.
but you think you don't have future.
Yeah, you don't want to be exclusive and give anybody that commitment. Oh, this generation is messed up.
It
and
is, and
we are people of this generation saying it, so it really is.
I know. And I was talking to Sahas also last month. I think I told
Yeah.
you like there was one term कहता ये क्या होती है, then I had to explain it to him कि अच्छा ये situationship ऐसी होती है. कहता really? तो कहता हमारे like in our era we had all of these things but हमें
We didn't have terms for
terms
it,
to
right?
define it. And अगर अब आपके पास terms it makes more complicated.
It does because मुझे आधा time terms नहीं पता होते.
I'm like, are you love bombing me? I'm like, हैं? Are you? So like आपको पहले पता होना चाहिए, नहीं तो हम कहते हैं कि are you confused?
Yeah.
But are you love bombing me?
Yeah.
But okay, guys, we have a very fun segment to start with today.
So guys, it's a would you rather. You know what? I'll let you take the lead. Go ahead.
So we have a segment where we'll ask each other, would you rather do this or do that in terms of dating. So I'll go first and then you go. Okay. Would you rather date someone who's amazing in every way but terrible at texting, or someone who texts you 24/7 but is an average in person?
Oh, the first one, any day. Because I am a bad texter too. You're a match
know.
made in heaven.
I know.
I hate texting. I'm like, आके सामने बात कर लो. Like, I'm that person. Call कर लो, आके सामने बात कर लो. Like, just please call me. I do not see text. I'm weird like that. So, match made in heaven, buddy. Please don't message me. I'll rather be concerned कि यार reply मैंने नहीं करा or shit like
No,
so.
I am the opposite actually.
I know.
I'm a huge text person, but now I've realized कि call is also important. कि आप call पे भी बात कर सकते हो. It's like उससे time काम खत्म हो जाता है rather than just getting on and off on text. But I don't know, I feel much more comfortable
So
in
funny.
texting
Yeah.
rather than like calling, because मैं अपना काम कर रही होती हूँ and I don't want to like ना दूसरे बंदे को involve करना while on the call.
If I love you, I'll just give you a call. If you're not important, I'll leave you a text.
No scene. Okay. Next we have, would you rather go on a first date to a fancy restaurant or a casual food truck festival?
Oh, I love the food truck festival idea. I love it. I think I do the later. Also because I think वो first date के लिए बहुत pressure नहीं है डालने के लिए to go really decked up to a fancy restaurant. I think I'm freaking in between. I'd also love to be taken out. And you know what? Like now I'm thinking कि हाँ कोई पूछेगा कि you know be there at 8 dressed up. I would also like that.
See?
But then I would also not mind a food truck date.
No, mine is always first.
Hey.
Because I feel like
Yeah.
that's the first thing that will set up your like the bar and the standard. Like I can't take this girl to any festival or like food. It will eventually,
Yeah,
but
yeah. But
I
that's
would
not-
rather go on a fine dine restaurant, all dressed up in my full feminine energy, dolled
Love
up,
that.
so that the
Yeah.
person I'm going with, right, he knows, oh, this is what she wants, or this is what her aura is, whatever that
I'll
is.
take a note of that. I'm like, लिख लेना चाहिए ये कहीं तभी अपना स्टैंडर्ड इतना गिराती हूँ. I'm like मुझे कहीं पे भी ले चलो मैं तो बहुत easy going हूँ.
I was like that. मेरे को था कि आप सही चले जाते
चल जाते.
like नहीं.
You know what? It's very right. I'm like कुछ ऐसे 2-3 चीजें मेरी solve हो गई दिमाग में. You don't know.
नहीं, that is true because
Yeah.
हम अपने आप को if we can take ourselves to expensive
Yeah.
restaurant,
Yeah.
तो फिर हम अगर किसी के साथ डेट पे जा
So
रहे हैं then
true.
why not?
No, gotta be in that high feminine energy
है
for
ना?
sure.
Otherwise,
Love
like
that.
So I was listening to up Tamcor, you know that, right?
I
I
do.
love that woman.
I
I love that woman. So I think her video, one of the videos of like 11 dating rules that she had,
Yeah.
those were amazing.
Yeah.
Those were amazing. मेरे को इतना उससे क्लैरिटी आई कि we do a lot on like ourselves. जब हम अकेले जाते हैं, we treat ourselves like to luxury, we buy expensive makeup, this and that. But जब हमारे लाइफ में कोई पार्टनर आता है, we just make ourselves go down, कि हम अपना वो वैल्यू इधर रख देते हैं to match that person.
Yeah, just to let them be at ease वाली चीज कि वो परेशान ना हो.
परेशान ना हो.
तो मैं अपना which is actually so true. Why do we make ourselves smaller and
Yes.
like नहीं adjust कर लेते हैं and shit. Jeez, मेरी तो पुराने relationships की सारी problem solve हो रही है बैठे हुए.
Me too. I'm like, no, we should not do that. The right
Yeah.
person will match your energy, will match your like
so true.
standards, your lifestyle. If not, that's
Yeah.
not the right person for you. This is the like realizations I've lately having.
This is very
कि-
healing.
है ना? कि this is no, हमें ऐसा नहीं करना
नहीं करना
चाहिए.
चाहिए यार पर
The right person will do. If we can like lower our standards for somebody that we think are right, he can
also up his standards.
for us if he thinks we are right. See?
Like I hard relate to that. I'm
I'm
like
a
that is so
relationship
correct.
guru.
There you go, your love guru, your relationship
I am not. I'll vent it out later. Okay, let's move to next one.
Let's go.
Guys, let us know your answers in the comments also.
I'd absolutely love to hear your answers as well, dude.
Right?
Be the third one in the sisterhood.
Oh, yeah. Would you rather never meet your partner's friends or never meet their family?
Oh. You know what? You go ahead with the answer for this one. Damn.
I have no answer. I would love to
Yeah,
meet
so-
both.
Yeah, honestly, which is why I'm like, I don't know. I would love to meet both. I would, yeah.
Yeah, I think
Period.
because I feel like your friends know you better than your family because आपके family के साथ you have that
आँखों की शर्म. As
आंखों की शर्म and also you are a certain version
Person, yeah,
in
most
front of
definitely.
family. But
Yeah.
if given choice कि ride or die, I think friends will come first क्योंकि आपके बारे में पता लग जाएगा कि how you are as a person.
Yeah.
Because family तो आपको बोलते हैं ना हमारा
अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, ये बहुत बोला है, ये सबसे अच्छा है, ये सबसे अच्छी है. तो I think friends would
Yeah.
come first क्योंकि आपका true
makes
colors
sense.
I think
That
वही
makes
जानते
sense.
हैं.
G Sim is a love guru. She's giving all the correct answers, and all I can do is agree. I'm like, she's correct, dude. I have nothing to add there.
Next
High
question. Would you rather date someone who has no social media or someone who's too active on social media?
The later.
Who's too active?
Too active. I couldn't. Yeah, honestly, no social media is very sus to me.
It's red flag for you?
It's not a red flag, but it's no having no social media. तू क्या serial killer है क्या? Like तू क्या करता है कि you are not there on social media at all? Okay, having like a private profile, posting less or something. Having no social media, that person is very suspicious to me. I don't know. Sure, I'm a content creator and I am the person who's very, very active, sort of. But I don't mind.
You know, I have that fear in my head कि
Yeah.
आई डोंट वांट टू डेट समबडी और आई डोंट वांट टू हैव अ पार्टनर जो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में है. It's just a thing in my head.
Yeah.
I'm very much drawn towards people who travel or maybe who are in a IT coding or engineer or like
Need a man in
that kind of finance guy. I don't want to date somebody
Yeah.
who is in the same field. क्योंकि
Yeah.
फिर क्या ही बातें करेंगे आप? I can't learn something new from him other
Got
than
you.
my content creation. I can't
Yeah.
learn something else.
Yeah.
I can't like listen to travel stories ये वो. तो I need somebody who is not in this. और क्योंकि मेरे को थोड़ा cringe भी लगता है. Like personally content creation to me some point cringe आ जाता है.
Oh, jeez.
Otherwise you can't like आप popular हो
Yeah, I get you though.
but
Because you have to exaggerate your emotions, your
Yes.
words, everything, and you're like, oh, because if you have to say like I did this, you have to be like over the
my
top and like
God.
I'm so cool and all that, which could come across as cringe, and I totally get it. Like मुझे
Yeah.
कई बार लगता है ये बहुत over तो नहीं हो गया
no,
types.
people will call us
But-
cringe. आपको मेरे को we both है ना
I know.
कि
Yeah.
these girls are doing too much. उनके
Yeah.
लिए cringe हो सकता है.
Yeah.
So I don't want to like have my partner look at me like that कि oh my god, see I opened a new package मेरे सामने बैठा है like ये क्या cringe लड़की है. So I have that fear in my
I
head.
get you though. I get you though, but I low-key like it. I love it.
So you'll have a partner who is in content creation.
Yeah, but a thing that is like a solid rule for me, I don't want them to be like, even if they're content creator, be like posting about me and like the relationship
Yeah,
stuff.
that's
My relationship जब भी होगा is gonna be for me.
Yeah.
It's gonna be private to me. I don't post about my family. Like you will not see any permanent posts or reels that I've put out for my close friends, family, anybody, because they are mine and I really like want to protect that. So उस part में I'm gonna keep it private for sure.
I agree with you a
Yeah.
lot. मेरे को लगता है कि नज़र is real.
Oh, it is.
Nazar is real and you should keep your relationships, your family and that business to yourself.
Yeah.
आपका page जिसके लिए है, it should be only for that.
Yeah.
है ना? And I think when you start posting about your life, about your as a couple and then you start gaining attention उसके वजह से then आपका relationship उधर ही divert हो जाता है.
I know, I have a feeling, like I have a fear almost of that.
For social media हम खुश कर रहे हैं, for social media हम बड़े
cringe.
जा रहे हैं, and then
That
in the
is
real
cringe
life
to
we are
me.
not like talking to each
No.
other. Okay, next question. I think this is the last one, and then
Okay.
we have another segment. We'll talk about it later. Would you rather date someone with the super messy apartment or someone who is a clean freak but criticizes how you clean?
Oh jeez, I was so like I almost bought it. like, हाँ like अच्छी बात है, clean freak है, मेरा भी सफाई कर देगा बिल्कुल.
But not that easy.
Yeah, right. But I'll hear the criticism. I couldn't care less as far
Yeah.
as honestly as far as they're clean, because I can't do the other way around. For a fact is what I know. गंद नहीं देख सकती मुझे ना, वो होता है बड़ा कि
Yeah, the Monica and me will like wake up. That I wake up.
Yeah,
I know.
like-
So yeah, I would be happy if he criticizes me over my cleaning. तो मैं बोलूँगी ठीक है खुद कर लो, but
खुद कर लो, हमने कहा बोलता रहे, but like साफ कर दियो चल.
so like you can clean yourself, but you can
Yeah.
criticize me as well.
Yeah,
But
I'm okay
that's
with
that.
that.
Okay. So okay, we are talking about modern dating. How has your experience been?
Hilarious. Actually, that's one word that defines it perfectly. Modern dating. It's hilarious, dude. Like, what is happening? What's up with men these days?
Have you seen those shows on YouTube, like stand-up shows? वहाँ पे where वो ऐसे blindfold करके
हाँ, I've seen that
and then
one,
they
अंधा
and then they
प्यार.
analyze your Hinge or Bumble profiles and all of these things.
Oh no, that one I've not seen. Sorry.
There is also जो मैं जो like what you are thinking, I know what
Yeah.
you're thinking. एक वो है and they're also like they analyze your Hinge profile
Interesting.
publicly, like this and that. And one of the factors was like the guys who post pictures with dogs just to attract कि हम जाएंगे he has a
Yeah.
dog तो match.
I know.
That's just a
ये तो
tactic.
कुछ वो है ना, point blank statements with the dog. Then you have your gym selfies with just like shirtless and this that.
What is something that you look for in a like on a profile and what you are
In a
drawn towards?
profile. I'm not a dating app kind of girly. Honestly, मुझे अपना dating profile वाला तो मुझे भी नहीं पता like what's my
Then why do you
criteria. I
match?
know. Time pass.
Like you
If
can
I'm
match
being
with
honest.
anybody?
No. Okay. अरे यार witty answers, okay. If witty answers, something who looks like a real person. If you get me, who's
I know. some people's profile is so cooked. I'm like, is this real?
I know, right? Do you get it? Exactly. It has to be not too perfect, but definitely the witty answers for sure. मेरा वैसे भी वही है कि वेल स्पोकन पीपल, गुड कॉन्वर्जेशन, विटी आंसर्स, कुछ स्मार्ट हो, वो बेसिक कि आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग एनी ऑफ द प्रॉम्प्ट्स, इट्स बिन अ मंथ.
Oh, yeah.
So
Okay.
some people, I can't do people who are like boring, period. And sorry, but some people are just boring. They don't have much to add. उनके लिए बना होगा कोई, not me. Now me, I am this hyper uchlu khudu insan, bilkul, you know, jumpy and active, and I'm very outgoing and I'm chatty, and I really want kuch badhiya batao yaar, like
Yeah, something. So I also like the fact in general जब मैं लोगों से मिलती हूँ, let's not talk about dating only.
Yeah.
In general, when I meet people, I really love to listen to travel stories. Number one,
Yeah.
because that gives you a lot of like
Yeah.
insight कि wow, इस country में ऐसा भी होता है. Oh, this is nice. Which is your favorite country? Which is your favorite travel story? Or something about their job, something I don't know.
Yeah, that is actually very hot. It just generally, like, you know, getting to learn a trade or a skill or something, just having knowledge. Ki koi batate na, I'm like, that's kind of hot of you. Like, it's nice that
It's
you're
nice. Even in
Yeah.
general, even if I meet you in public, हम vibe करके हम
Handshake.
बातें कर रहे हैं, and then you
Handshake.
tell me something about your last year trip कि हमने ऐसा किया, you know what happened this, and then वहाँ से, you know, the vibe and the bond you make, it's the best.
The you know what happened is what it. पता है फिर क्या हुआ? पता है क्या हुआ? ये हुआ था, पता है ये हुआ था. ये तो मजे हैं life
And then
के.
next is best coffee places. I love it. What's your favorite coffee? Of
course.
I'll judge a person. Oh, you're an Americano person.
Wow, the shade. I'm not surprised.
You are Americano person. Okay.
I
sure.
bet. He's like, थोड़ा दूध, थोड़ी चीनी, please.
Sure. But if somebody is high on coffee, I'm already sold.
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go to a cafe and explore this and that. But okay.
Yeah.
How is the dating culture here versus in India?
In all honesty, I have not dated per se. In
Like
Canada.
from the Instagram, from the reels, from the videos,
Yeah.
from like whatever you're consuming, what do you think?
Jeez, I think it's much more casual. Honestly, I don't have a very first-hand experience of Canadian dating culture because genuinely did not been there, done that. But yeah, in India, been there, done that. So I think India's dating culture is rather getting westernized with regards to your situationships coming in, the dating apps boom, honestly. And people are just much more comfortable having the conversation that, oh, they're going on out on a date with someone, and they're okay with the fact that, yeah, it was a first date with this person and then another first date with the other person, and yada, yada, yada. But I don't know, dude. It wasn't. I've always been like a one-man relationship kind of girly. So sorry, but I've not explored much.
Old school.
Very old school, very basic, bitch. You know, and used to really lower my standard. कि भाई कि अरे मैं भी तो प्यार में हूँ, मैं ये भी कर लूँगी, वो भी कर लूँगी, and I'm like, no, bro, shut the fuck
Not
up.
anymore.
Not anymore. I think which is why now I'm protecting this energy and aura, this femininity so much that I'm like, कभी कोई आएगा मैच करेगा तो बात कर लेंगे. अभी तो मैं उस जोन में नहीं हूँ कि भैया आप आ जाओ और दोबारा मेरी लाइफ fuck up कर दो.
I love the fact
Yeah.
you mentioned femininity,
Yeah.
because that is number one thing I will look for in a relationship.
Yeah.
जब भी मैं होंगी. So
Same.
if your partner can bring out the femininity in you,
I
best thing.
swear.
Like if I don't have to be this
Yeah.
hyper independent macho
Yes.
women killing it all day, I know how to do my things, I know I don't need your help, I don't want to be that. I want to be like, you are my partner, you will get pampered, you will get all you want, you just have to exist and love. That's all I want. And I think जब हम उस फैक्टर में होते हैं ना, we see people on Instagram जो we see girls who are very feminine in their energy. हमें देख के पता लग जाता है कि oh, she's such a girl है ना.
Yeah, right. Like girly girls are so cute. If anybody puts you in that girly, like, okay, I went on this one date, I'm gonna tell you, after this breakup thing, and I told my friend, I'm like, I got flowers and stuff. I'm like, I felt like a girl. Like I felt very girly on the inside. Like somebody opened. I mean, yeah, I was like, I felt really girly.
Yeah, that's
on
bare
the
minimum,
inside.
but हाँ ठीक है.
But you get it.
You know what Avni would tell me, I'm like, oh, this, that's bare minimum. I'm like, okay.
It is a reality check. Thank you. People always think of it the provider, and it's just not like if you're like, married and providing for the house, and like it's not like money is not even like where it's coming
Yeah,
from.
it's not the factor here.
It's not a factor here. The provider energy is like, I got you, babe. Like
I got you.
I got this covered.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm here for you. Like it's that.
Ki, yeah, the safe
मैं
space.
हूँ. Yeah, the safe space that.
Yeah, and I think the small gestures I love. I'm observant. I told you, I
Yeah, you
observe.
are.
I won't say anything, but I'll observe, and I observe very bad. I'll observe very
What
bad.
did I do? Whenever she makes such a point, I'm like, मैंने क्या करा?
तूने कुछ नहीं किया, but I observe. So if somebody is like, I observe people in public also, couples in public. I don't know if you do, but I judge couples in public.
Watching couples in public. That sort of people watching I enjoy.
है ना बड़ा मजा आता है कपल्स को जज करने का पब्लिक में. लाइक इसने उसके लिए दरवाजा नहीं खोला, हाउ मीन. वो ऑर्डर लेने जा रही है और शिट, अगर वो कुछ भी ना सोच रहे, आई जज देम कि ये लड़का अच्छा नहीं है. बट इट्स फाइन. फॉर मी इट्स लाइक स्मॉल जेस्चर्स, like opening the door, opening car door, flowers लेके आना, text messages here and there, few. I love compliments. You can call them love bombing, but I love compliments. कि बंदे को ना इतनी आसमान के ऊपर बैठा दो कि वो सोचे कि हाँ मैं दुनिया का राजा हूँ या दुनिया की रानी हूँ, and there is nobody better than me.
Love that.
है ना?
Honestly, if you're in a very healthy, good relationship, you will feel like that. You feel like that because the other person will make you feel like that. The other person will instill not only सिर्फ अपने action से, but that belief in you as a person कि भाई तू इतनी बढ़िया बनी है. Like this is a repetitive and assertion बार बार कि यार तू बहुत amazing है. In all those little acts and gestures, like you deserve things. तो वो अगर तुम अच्छे relationship में ना, that person will make you feel like
You are so lonely.
that you
But
would have.
you're also focused on your career, but you also need somebody to hang. I think it in most literal sense, in what I have like realized, कि आप अपने करियर पे फोकस कर रहे हो, नंबर 1. आप अपने आप पे फोकस कर रहे हो, नंबर 2. एंड यू हैव फ्रेंड्स बट ऑल्सो दे आर बिजी इन देयर लाइफ्स. सो यू नीड समबडी जो आपको कंपनी दे, लाइक लिटरल, लाइक एनी वेयर. यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ शॉपिंग, डू यू वांट टू कम विद मी? यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ कैफे, डू यू वांट टू कम विद मी? तो आई थिंक दैट शॉर्ट टर्म रिलेशनशिप केम फ्रॉम दैट फैक्ट कि आपको एक कंपनी चाहिए ऑल द टाइम अवेलेबल फॉर यू. योर फ्रेंड्स कांट बी अवेलेबल फॉर यू, राइट? तो आई थिंक वो पर्सन आपके लिए अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं कि चलो आज कैफे चलते हैं, आज यहाँ चलते हैं, तो वहाँ चलते हैं. तो वो दैट्स अ शॉर्ट टर्म रिलेशनशिप. दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक.
No, I have been asked out for once. I get it, because when I talked to someone, they were like, all I'm looking for is a companion to go out on cute dates with.
वही, I think you just need a companion.
To do fun stuff, to go out on cute dates with. And I'm like, sure, but I don't see that. Like, I'm very.
There's
that's
no
not my
point.
vibe.
Yeah, it's like
That's not my vibe.
6 months के लिए कोई एक companion है, the next for 6 months there's another companion, but like you need a person with you physically all the time
भैया
present.
मेरे बस की नहीं है. भैया.
You'll be like for long term.
Bro, do you have like a list of check marks that you gotta make apart from, of course, travel stories? And I'm gonna be petty and ask, do you have like a exterior, physical, or like that sort of body, and like tall or this and that? Like, do you get it what I'm talking about?
Yeah, honestly, yes, I do,
Good.
because I'm pretty. So
She's beautiful.
so I want my partner to be like थोड़ा
looking.
like presentable हो.
Most definitely.
So not very tall but taller than me. But
आराम से होगा.
अरे
होना चाहिए.
everybody say like तू तो कितनी छोटी है, वो 5'9" भी होगा तो चलेगा. I'm like, okay, don't do that. मतलब थोड़ा सा like he should be tall. Personality, you know how
Yeah.
when you walk you have a personality.
I love
When you
that.
enter a room आपकी personality की, oh fuck, that's what I want. That's all I want. That's it.
Just these two factors.
Just a
nothing else?
personality. I would love that.
ऐसे बाल वाल ना हो तो.
गंजा हो तो फिर वो अगर कैप पहन रहा है तो इट्स फाइन, बट नो बॉल्ड.
No bald guys
no
for you?
bald guy. I love messy hair, this and that, or
The curly
presentable.
hair kind of.
Yeah.
When it comes to me, मुझे in terms of guys, because I'm tall, I just want a tall guy, dude. And
How
I'm
tall?
5'9", so at least 6 or onwards. 6 and onwards, like bro, 6 feet. Like I'm 5'9". I want to wear heels. I still don't. I cannot actually, because the guys are usually not as tall as me, and I would love to wear a heel around mama someday. So 6 feet का तो हो minimum. ये तो मेरे आधे तो लड़के इधर ही चले गए. Everybody who I see 5'8", 5'9" max, and I'm like, yeah.
पंजाबी लड़के थोड़े 6 से ऊपर होते हैं.
कोई भी चलेगा
कोई भी
अच्छा होना चाहिए वैसे मैं डील बट हाँ हाइट आई थिंक अब मेरा डील ब्रेकर है विच इज काइंड या आई डोंट वांट टू पुट इट इन एज दैट बट है एंड देन अगेन somebody who is presentable, somebody who is well spoken and a conversationalist. मुझे बहुत बातें करना पसंद है. I am a yapper. I'm a professional yapper. But और वही जो can hold a conversation और किसी की ना इंटरेस्टिंग बात है यार मतलब ज्ञान ना पे लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू रियली से इट यू नो लाइक जस्ट हैव अ नेचुरल फ्लो ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑल्सो आई वुड लव टू हैव समबडी इट्स नॉट अ डील ब्रेकर दो हु हैज हैड और लिव्ड एन इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ एंड they just have like stories
Happening
to share.
life.
Happening life they have lived an interesting life just नहीं कि मैं जैसे कुछ पूछूं कुछ नहीं यार बस वही सेम ओल्ड बोरिंग आदमी नहीं चाहिए आई थिंक नॉट अ बोरिंग पर्सन इफ व्हेन आई से नॉट अ हैपनिंग लाइफ की कुछ क्रेजी ही कर दिया है बट जस्ट somebody has lived like a full life and they have experiences and stories and things to share and it's a very attractive trait as you were saying as well कि there's something that they can teach me or like उनको किसी चीज़ के बारे में पता है जो मुझे नहीं पता मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता है बिकॉज मेरे को आई लव लर्निंग अ न्यू स्किल
Yeah, I have
I
a
love
point to
learning,
add.
yeah.
Without making you feel dumb.
Oh, most definitely. That's just and somebody who's empathetic. Oh, and he has to be an empath. I cannot with emotionally unavailable men. No, I want the most I don't know emotionally available, the most full of feelings sort of man.
To baby you.
Not sure that as well, but also just I want him to be like some like high on emotional intelligence. That is what I want. An emotionally intelligent man is somebody I know.
And I think आपका vibe तभी match होती है when your intellectuality, emotional intelligence match. If मेरी इतनी है और अगला बंदा कुछ भी नहीं like ठीक है ये वो है तो no you will not vibe. I think number one it's good you mention it's number one कि आपकी intellectuality, the way you think, the way he think, even if it's opposite, but you know the levels it should match.
Yeah, it's there. And I love, like, again, a witty conversation and, like, throwing in those remarks and make it flirty. Have a good, again, conversationalist. You got to have those skills. You got to have that charm about yourself. Because if you're my man, I want to stay attracted to you. Not just for the first date. Do you get it? Some people have that thing about them. I'm like, charismatic. Like, they have the charm about themselves. I would want to be obsessed with the guy I date. And likewise, I would want them to be like,
Obsessed with
man, this girl, I get to wake up, and be with this girl every day. I want that energy.
Oh, it's all like मेरे को लगता है कि movies में हम देखते हैं and then we just
Dreamy.
हम अपने दिमाग में सोचते हैं but I think there are people out
There are people out there. You know what? When I really think like love doesn't exist anymore and men and this and that, but then I'm like, no. I have friends who are great partners to their, respective other. I see my brother. I see good men out there. मेरे दोस्त अच्छे हैं. मेरा भाई इतना अच्छा है. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो हम like वो मेरे hope जगाते हैं कि है यार अच्छे लोग हैं. It's just that I have not crossed paths with the one that is meant for me. Okay, I'll take this one away. Is this a deal breaker for you? They are overly jealous and ask you for your location all the time.
Yeah, it is.
It is
Yeah, straight up.
Straight up.
It is nothing like that. Like for safety reasons, yes, I would love to share my location, but I would not like explain you where I am, why I am, ये वो. But no, yeah, it is a deal breaker.
Same bro, cause like मेरे को बोलते हुए एक आ गई like question पढ़ते हुए I'm like
Damn.
I made that face. I'm like
Okay, next.
yeah.
They talk over you constantly in conversations.
I'm laughing so much because I am this person. बिना मतलब okay, without intention. Trust me when I say without intention I am this person. Just how my brain works. There's a thought and I have to blurt it out then and there. So it's not a deal breaker, but it would be a very funny conversation to have with that person like me, जो दोनों एक दूसरे को interrupt ही करी जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, I think it's not a deal breaker, but it
get
is also pink flag. I won't even say red flag. It's a pink flag because वो middle में है.
Okay.
Like you can express कि I don't like to be cut in between when I'm talking to your significant other, and if he's mature enough, he will make sure a mental note. कि I will not cut this woman again when she's talking. But yeah, it is important for me. As well. Like if I'm explaining something, okay, hold on, अपने thoughts रख लो.
Yeah.
It's not between friends. Friends, they cut each other, it's fine. But अगर कुछ conversation हो रही है, no cutting.
No, that makes sense. Also, क्योंकि कैसे बताऊँ मतलब एक होता है कट करना टू एड योर पॉइंट, एक होता है जस्ट लाइक बीइंग लाइक आई एम वेरी वोकली रिएक्टिव when you're talking I'm like हाँ अच्छा ये वो you know so that I'm very chill with but like cutting my point कि मेरे को बात नहीं पूरी करने दी
Yeah.
and वो तो annoying ही है
It
वो तो
is.
annoying ही
It
है.
is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take next one.
Yep. They have an ugly laugh but they're genuinely funny.
It's okay for
I'll take
me.
it.
Because I laugh with the जैसे वो हंस रहा है. I'm like, oh, you have a weird laugh. They'll be like,
I think I give a really weird one at that. I'm like मैं proof करके दिखाती हूँ.
तो अगर आपकी weird laugh है, it's fine. It'll make me
Yeah.
laugh.
Yeah, right. It will make you laugh and I love laughing.
Okay, let's do next one.
Yeah.
This is a controversial one, guys. But actually, this is a very controversial one. So let me know what you guys think.
खुद ही आंसर करो आप ये.
Yeah. No, you'll do. They're super close with their mom and call her every day to update her on your relationship.
It's hilarious to me. Okay, I'm super close with my mom and so is my brother, but we're never gonna call, you know, a mom every day to update on our relationship. It's not कि आपका बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, मेरे relationship में चल रहा है, उसने ही करा. No, sorry, not a vibe.
Yeah.
It's again, it's not a deal breaker, but it would give me the ick. And I think when the ick is there, it is
It is
sort
a
of a deal breaker.
So yeah, it is. If
It
you
is.
agree or not agree, it is a kind of a deal breaker. You can keep your parents in loop
In loop, updated, but not like
every day. हर रोज की कहानी.
yeah, very but yeah, turn off, bro. Okay, so the next one is they have cheated in the past, but have promised they've changed. Go ahead.
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
I bet. Sorry. Yes.
Once a cheater,
Always a cheater. Because I am once a loyal person, have had my heart broken, still a loyal person. So I'm like, I believe that dude.
Yeah, you don't cheat in your like if you're not in senses, you know what you're doing when
You
you're
know.
cheating.
You're rather aware when you're cheating.
You
dude.
are
It's
fully aware that this is what I'm
such
doing.
a bullshit excuse.
कि हाँ,
If I was like, you know, even like fucking drugged, you know, dude. Like, I don't care. Like,
yeah, maybe that 2% circumstances or chances ki
yeah.
maybe they'll change, but mostly once a cheater, I think is always a cheater.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do next one. They're bad at remembering small details like your favorite coffee order or your best friend's name.
You know.
It's a deal breaker?
Yeah.
It is.
Of course, bro. I'm saying that I want that person to be obsessed with me, to remember the small. मैंने कल क्या पहना था, मैंने सुबह क्या खाया था. I am sorry, I'm that person. If my man is not obsessed with me, you're not my man. Like, no,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. Yeah, it is true. Remembering small things about you is a gesture.
big
It is a
one.
very polite, affectionate, empath.
Affectionate because you care so much about that person that you again observe these little details, even if without them saying, like the most basic ones, the coffee order, the best friend, bro.
I would
How
like
do you not?
I would like be if he remembers my coffee order.
I know.
What do you want? She wants a vanilla ice latte with the extra shot of espresso, and then I'm like,
Yes.
wow, there
Yes.
you go.
Yes.
I'll be so happy.
You should know this. It's a should, bro.
I know. Let's do the next one. This is a fun segment, guys.
This is fun.
I love it.
They have never been in a serious relationship before, and they're in their 30s.
Why do I am getting the tough ones to answer?
Not quite. Go
Yeah.
ahead. Not quite.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So they've never been in a serious relationship before and in their 30s. I think it's fine.
Same.
It's
Wow.
fine.
Same.
Maybe they were figuring out their life. They were not looking for a relationship, and they were serious about their career, maybe, which is good, ambitious. So I think it's a green flag.
Rather fair.
Rather
yeah.
fair.
मेरे को तो बहुत सही है. Like yeah.
है ना? And also अभी क्योंकि अभी everybody like till 30s they're not planning to get married.
Exactly.
This generation they're like till 30 do not talk to us regarding marriage. Let us figure out our life and उसके बाद देखते हैं कि क्या
Makes
हुआ.
sense.
Okay, let's do next one.
They want to split everything 50-50, including dates forever.
Why is this even here?
I don't know.
It is a deal breaker.
It is a deal breaker.
I think it is not. Maybe if it's forever, then you have.
Because it's a forever. That
Forever.
has changed it for me. In all honesty, I get the initial dates because I don't want any. I know it's like ma man and blah blah. Ma man, तो ऐसे बोल रही मैं जानती हूँ किसी को, but like
Yeah.
the assumption that like ma man. So I'm okay with like him paying for dates, but like I also don't want to be a responsibility in a weird way, if you get it. It's the hyper independent speaking through girl, I know. But like, हर चीज का खर्चा वो उठाए, मैं इतनी laid back भी नहीं हो सकती. I don't know.
I think when it comes to forever, तो आप एक sense of responsibilities create कर लेते हो कि if you're going on dates, he'll pamper you, but sometimes you're like, I'm taking you out on a date. So
Yeah.
then you pay. And in some other senses, if you're living together, that's another.
That's another shared expenses and yada yada yada. So you have
But-
your joint accounts and
Yeah,
stuff.
everything is like 50-50 in that sense.
That
But
sense,
in terms of pampering this and that, you can do that to each other. So it's like 100 sometimes from your side and 100 sometimes from his side.
100%.
I think that's how
I
it
think
works.
ऐसे ही होता है. इतना हिसाब भी रखोगे, then it's too structured. You don't want it to be transactional.
Yeah, like if he's taking you on 10
Yeah.
dates,
You're like,
not
अच्छा,
good.
yeah, that's okay. Like, you know, it's not like, अच्छा, तूने यहाँ का दिया, मैं यहाँ का दे दी. So it's, I
Yeah.
think relationship में flow ऐसा हो जाना चाहिए that it's not transactional, bro. कि ओ तूने वो लिया था, मेरे को ये लेके देना, you know, it's not one thing against the other. It's just like, oh, sometimes he pays. If I have it, I'll pay. Like, I'll get him something. It's not.
I am
You're not taking a
huge.
record.
I am huge on gifting my loved ones.
Significant other,
I love, not even significant, the people I love, I'll pamper them like on special days and even like here and there. I love gifting. I love like
That's a love
pampering them.
language.
I love like, oh, they should feel special.
Aw.
And जब मेरे को वापस से मिला, I'm like, why?
Ouch.
Why?
ये मेरे बहुत होता है. एक तो जो भी बोल रही हूँ मैं इतना रिलेट कर पा रही हूँ. बट लाइक आई लव गिफ्ट गिविंग इज माई लव लैंग्वेज इज वेल. एंड मैं अपने पे खर्चा करने में मुझे वैसी थोड़ी मौत आती है. आई एम लाइक इट्स इससे अच्छा मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. सो स्टूपिड.
I think I won't buy something for myself, but I'll buy it for my loved ones, my family, mama, brother,
always
sister,
done
whatever
that.
friends that I have. I'm like, oh, इसको ये लेके दे देते हैं. I won't buy it.
I love how Sim is playing so safe. Mama, friends. She has never seen a boy only. She only goes to girls' societies also. She's
I
never
have my
like,
friend circle. That's it.
Shut up.
Okay, let's take the next one. Okay.
Let's take the next one before she goes on.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
No spilling secrets here. They love partying every weekend, but you're more of a homebody.
This question's for you actually, because you are a homebody.
Now I'm a club person. I don't know.
Okay, you went to club in one weekend and
No,
now you're a club
that's with you
person.
guys, no? I am more of a, I think मैं ना ऐसी इंसान हूँ कि जिसके फेजेस आते हैं वही. आई हैव अ फेज कि जो मेरे को बाहर जाना है, आई वांट टू हैव फन, मेरे को वीकेंड पे घर नहीं बैठना है. बिकॉज अगर मैं 2 वीकेंड पे बाहर गई हूँ, मेरे को 3rd वीकेंड पे भी बाहर जाना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि सारे वीक में आई एम एट होम, आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. सो आई एम लाइक नो, आई नीड टू गो आउट दिस वीकेंड. पर अगर मैं घर पे बैठ गई हूँ एक बार ही वीकेंड पे एंड आई नो कि ये हो रहा है, फिर मैं घर पे बैठी रहूँगी. सो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ डील ब्रेकर फॉर मी, बट
It's not either. For me,
50-50.
it's kind of okay when I say like partying on weekend. अगर वो पार्टिंग में बहुत तरह की पार्टीज होती है, राइट? इफ दैट पर्सन इज लाइक, उसका अगर कैसे बताऊँ, इफ हिज आइडिया ऑफ अ गुड नाइट और नाइट आउट इज जस्ट EDM सुन के और टेक्नो सुन के ये करना है, तो मेरे बस की नहीं है.
Do you love a techno?
No, basically no. Techno guys are like big no for me. Sorry.
Why?
I don't like them.
Like why? Like
I don't like techno music, period, and the people who listen to it. So
I've never thought about it. Like I don't even know.
I've actually been with a person who was like techno. मैं कहा अबे इसके लिए सुनना पड़ता है क्या क्या.
It's just like music and vibing, like
EDM ditching. मतलब it's just beats. Again, I obviously don't know shit, so people are gonna be like gawar,
but it is what it is. We have
we are
the right
entitled to our opinions, and so are you entitled to yours. But I love music that's way more lyrical, because I think I have a thing for words since forever. तो मेरे को बात क्या हो रही है, मतलब म्यूजिक में भी मुझे कुछ बात ही ढूंढनी है. Of course there has to be melody, yada, but Sufi, Punjabi, Hindi, even English songs for that matter. But the lyrics really matter to me. So what are the words being said? So I can't do this EDM techno stuff or ये crazy
you
rage
got your,
parties
like-
जैसी होती है. I'm like, मैं side पर आके बैठ जाऊंगी, समझ रही है? तो
Yeah, you don't vibe.
मेरी वाइब नहीं है. सो बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम वेरी आउट गोइंग इन अदर थिंग्स. लाइक आई एम आउट गोइंग फॉर लाइक प्रॉब्ली अ डिनर, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर कैफेज, डू कैफे हॉपिंग, दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. सो मैं हूँ बहुत आउट गोइंग, बट लाइक मेरे मतलब की आउट गोइंग.
your type. I would rather go for a coffee party. Have you like recently?
Coffee party.
You don't know that? Okay.
No.
So in Toronto right now, the culture is shifting to more of coffee parties rather than club parties. Now, what I mean by that is our generation, not like the high school ones, we are more inclined towards coffee culture, vibing with on coffees, this and that. So there is a page called like Coffee Party TO Toronto. So they host coffee party which starts at 11 a.m. I think on weekends and Sundays. Like there are every other pages, every other coffee. There is a one cafe in the Waterworks as well. They also do it on Sundays on 11 a.m. So DJ, music, people, coffee, and you just dance and vibe.
Insane.
Chef's
We have to
kisses.
go to one of
I
those.
know.
We
Chef's
have
kisses.
to.
I'm like, this is my party. You're high on coffee. You
Coffee.
have music. You have people. What else do you need? And it's in the daylight.
Love that. I didn't know
Right?
about it.
I also got to know like last month. I think I don't have no remember who showed me. I'm like, I need to go here.
This is so
And
cool,
it
dude.
was jam packed.
हम पक्का जा रहे हैं.
It was jam packed. See so that's my kind of vibe.
I love it. Yeah. दिन में जाने कोई beat ही नहीं.
And then maybe during evening we
Yeah.
can stroll here and there, and then we can even
cafe
go
hop some
clubbing
more, we
at
can do
night.
whatever.
But
Yeah.
my kind of clubbing is I love clubbing with high school crowd rather than crowd like mature than me or us, because high school का crowd
Oh
ना
yeah. वो young crowd energy
young
होती है
crowd
bro.
energy is
Most
like so
definitely
nice.
for a fact. Yeah, when they're like sorry, but like older people in the not older people, you get it right. People okay, I don't want to put an age range to it, but you
But
get
yeah, the younger crowd you vibe a lot. हालांकि वो आपको judge करेंगे कि what are these guys doing here, but I would love
No,
vibing
bro,
with
it's
the younger
fun.
crowd.
बहुत fun होते हैं like the young energy, because when we again हम बुढ़े नहीं हैं, but like
Again, high school के साथ I'll vibe much more because वो energy इतनी होती है, and then they
मजा
are
आते हैं.
so much more like yeah. Okay, let's take another one.
okay, they
I like it.
the other one.
Yeah.
They're always late to everything, including dates and important events. Off, sorry.
I'm also late sometimes, but not every
The
time.
always. The always is what's the especially like I am very punctual for the most part. तू मानेगी नहीं. कर ले. आज ही लेट हुए 1 घंटा. मैं ना हमेशा टाइम पे आती हूँ. Apart from today. Apart from the public. यार मैं ना मुक्का मार दूंगी.
मैं भी late आती हूँ. I'm not saying anything. I'm very loud with my expressions that I know.
You are very loud with your expressions.
And I get in trouble a lot for my expressions.
ये आँखों से मार देती है, इसका वाला सीन है. Nevertheless, I am okay. Regardless, I'm a very punctual person, bro. 90% of the time. We're not talking about 10%, but I am. Okay. It shows that you value the other person's time.
Time.
Do you value their presence कि अपना वो टाइम निकाल के आया. तुम ये नहीं गधों की तरह 1 घंटा लेट आ रहे हो, आधा घंटा लेट आ रहे हो, हर बार वो भी. And the always is what's the deal breaker for sure. If it's always, I'm like, I have so many better things to do than this shit.
Maybe if you are late, I really appreciate the fact that you are like, ETA this, I'll be this minute late, ETA
yeah.
this, like what you do, right?
Update, yeah. बता तो दो,
Update
of
you,
course.
like keep me in the loop कि ठीक है मेरा I'm like running 30 minutes late this
Basic
rather than
etiquette.
just like
आए
showing
नहीं
up
खाए.
30 minutes late हो गया, I'm sorry I'm late. No.
वो तो बिल्कुल ही बेसिक एटिकेट नहीं हो. तो मतलब ये तो डेटिंग भी छोड़ भाई, वो होता है यार मैं लेट हो गई,
No, there are
सॉरी.
people, they just show up like 30 minutes late.
You want me
like,
to be
no.
guessing for those
कि हम
remaining
कब आ
30
रहे हैं, कब.
minutes?
There are people. They don't value your time.
Have you ever been stood up
No.
on a date? No, me neither. I just
We are too pretty to be stood up. So
I know, right? Like they don't
we can't. Okay, I'll take another one.
go for it.
They have bad hygiene habits, but they are fun and caring otherwise.
No, मैं से एक आगे पढ़ती
मेरे को फर्स्ट से इक्का आ जाएगी कि
हाँ,
and
तेरे
the
fun तो
second
मैं देख ही नहीं
factor,
पाऊंगी.
हाँ वो eliminate ही हो जाएगा कि हाँ yeah he's caring and fun, but no
No, sorry.
sorry, yeah it's too.
It's a big one for me. Ew,
It
no.
is actually.
It is.
Okay.
Somebody, yeah, actually just that.
There's nothing more to explain to this.
Yeah.
They tell you they don't believe in marriage or long-term commitment. Why is this here?
You put it here.
Yeah, why did I write this question?
I have no clue. We will skip on it.
We are not talking about this. This is a deal breaker for sure. They constantly compare you to their ex or past relationships.
Deal breaker as like it's the reddest flag ever. So मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत irritating लगती है, how people compare or like have their past trauma in the following relationship, and people have a habit of not even just like talking about from personal experience, but just listening to friends how they would compare their currents with their exes, and I'm like, you're doing a disservice to your relationship altogether by doing that. कि अच्छा ये तो नहीं कर रही पर वो तो करती थी. I'm like, तू ये भी खराब कर रहा है. You know,
True.
like if they ask me advice, मैंने कहा you're fucking this up as well. Do you know what you're doing? You're literally, that's it's not, everybody is as gray as it comes. Nobody's black and white. You can't compare somebody's wrongs to the other person's rights. वो dismiss करते हुए कि उसने कितना गलत करा था and all those things. Just it's so wrong comparison, dude. Cannot.
It is.
Big red
And
flag.
I also believe that कि आपको खुद में इतना सिक्योर होना चाहिए. Let's say I find a green flag जो
जी.
मेरे लिए he's like the most
Ultimate green
ultimate
flag.
like boy I want in my life, but उसके लिए मैं रेड फ्लैग हूँ. Why? Because मेरे पास कितने traumas है that I'm dumping on him. मेरे पास में इतना है I'm dumping on him. I have so much that I don't even know myself कि मेरे में ये toxic traits हैं. First thing. तो what I've realized कि आपको पहले खुद को भी you have to clean your self first. क्लीन एज इन आपको अपने
समझ गए, हाँ.
ट्रेट्स वगैरह सब ठीक
जी.
करने पड़ेंगे बिफोर यू इवन स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर योर ग्रीन फ्लैग.
Most definitely.
आई थिंक वो हम इतनी गलती कर देते हैं ना कि ये मेरे लिए ग्रीन फ्लैग है, बट हम खुद में ही नहीं देखते कि
कि
आर वी द
we
ग्रीन
green
फ्लैग
flag.
कि हमें कोई डेट करेगा कि मैं उस पर अपना ट्रॉमा डंप तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उसको एनजाइटी तो नहीं दे रही हूँ, मैं उसको ब्रेड क्रम्बिंग और लव बॉम्बिंग तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज सो 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 अनरियल कि हम ये देखते हैं, हम देख लेते हैं कि दिस इज ग्रीन फ्लैग फॉर मी, बट आई वी आर नॉट.
दैट इज सो ट्रू. हम वो कभी खुद को भी देखे लाइक ओके बट व्हाट आर वी डूइंग,
है ना?
और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है भाई,
It is.
क्योंकि काफी लोग मैं जानती हूँ ऐसे दे गोना बी सो पिकी एंड आई एम लाइक डू यू सी व्हाट यू डूइंग.
Yeah. This is the last one, guys.
Let me see.
They are amazing to you, but rude to waiters and other people or service staff.
No. When I say an empath, I have to be with the person who's kind. I have to have a kind person. I would like to consider myself one. तो इंसान अच्छा तो होना ही चाहिए ना यार. Definitely a kind person. So not at all.
Not
no.
at all. And kindness is overlooked.
Kindness. Sorry, what again?
It's overlooked.
Yeah, kindness is overlooked. It is a very important trait. If I go out looking for a man, you have to be a अच्छा इंसान, again a good person who has a good vibe.
Vibes. I would love
Yeah.
if there is one compliment that, two compliments actually, that makes me happy from anybody. It's like, first, you smell amazing. I would like die for that. Like, you smell amazing.
Yeah.
Second is your vibe is so pure.
Yeah.
These are the only two comments that will just be with me. Other than that, I don't care about my looks, how I dress, or whatever. Your vibe is pure and you smell amazing.
That's a good one. Yeah.
That's like, ठीक है, I'm happy. I love it. ठीक है, मैं बंदा पसंद आ गया. That kind of vibe. What is for you?
The comments that are like, I get a lot that, oh, your smile is pretty, because I laugh a lot, I think, but that is a very generic one.
Like, it's a materialistic.
It's a materialistic one. I think मेरे लिए जो मुझे जो रहता है मेरे साथ, वो सारी अभी चिकनी चुपड़ी बातें लगने लग गई अगर मैं सच बोलूँ तो, in all honesty. Geez, I didn't think about it.
Like, top 2 tier compliments anybody can give you.
Obviously याद आ रहे that I have received is why I'm
No,
smiling.
take your time. What is it?
Man, I think that you're a good person. Like, tu is what I've gotten, and I sometimes get, and I'm like, yeah, I can be flawed in many ways, but I'm not a bad person. Like, I'm actually a good person at heart. If you really try to get to know me and sit with me, I'm like, you're a good person. I think I don't have anything at the top of my head, to be very honest. You're a good person, you're a kind person, and that kind of stuff really, because that's all I want to be. I want to be remembered as a kind person.
That's your top tier comment.
Yeah.
That is. Okay. I have one last thing to ask. Let's see.
Yeah.
What's your opinion? And then we are ending this podcast. It was a very fun podcast.
Very fun episode.
I love it. हमने ज़्यादा dating, like the modern dating के बारे में बात नहीं की है, like how it is, because we all know कैसी है. Even if we talk
Honestly.
about कुछ होगा नहीं, but we kept it fun.
We did.
Light and fun.
Mast
Okay. Last one is, should you follow someone on Instagram before or after the first date?
Oh. क्योंकि हाँ यार बिफोर कर लिया फिर आफ्टर बड़ा वो नहीं होगा अनफॉलो करते हुए
So,
कि अच्छी नहीं
is it before or after?
आई हैव नॉट डन इट पीरियड सो विच इज व्हाई आई एम लाइक
No, just hypothetically situations.
मैं सोच रही हूँ ना हाँ कभी करा नहीं तो देख मैं अगर सच बोलूँ तो मैं जैसी हूँ आई वुड हैव फॉलोड बिफोर बट आई थिंक यू शुड फॉलो आफ्टर
Yes.
या यू शुड मैं शुड और जो मैं करूँगी वो डिफरेंस देख रही मुझे पता
Should.
भी है
You know why?
आफ्टर या
Being in this content creation
space
space, you have two personalities. The one you have online and the one you have in
I
person.
relate
The one you have in person. And I believe मैं बहुत वो हूँ, like I'm very serious about the thing कि I won't give you my Instagram before. First we'll have to like meet in person on text कि मेरे को पता लगे how you are as a person before I just give you my. You can actually like search
Access
me
my
up,
socials,
but I am very different on social media. But I'm not the same person in real life. The way I'll talk to you in real life, I won't talk like, "Hi, how are you?"
I get it.
Like, "Hey guys," I won't talk to you like this
Of
in real person,
course.
right? I will be very as raw as real I am in real
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
So I would never. I icked out on the fact like, "Can we talk on Instagram?" Like, no, let's talk on text.
lol actually इससे मुझे भी ध्यान है because मेरे साथ भी हुआ so what happens is they come with a preconceived notion of you
Yeah, that was a word.
yeah so like वो they have an idea of और अब मेरा नाम भी एक ही गुरिश कौर है या तो मैं अपना नाम ही क्या झूठा बताओगे like I
I'm
don't
safe in that. So many Simrans.
so my point is कि there's only one गुरिश कौर so if I do they can very easily and if I again I'm going to be also मैं झूठ थोड़ी बोलूँगी content creator नहीं हूँ so you know so I'm going to be like I'm गुरिश कौर I'm a content creator it's extremely easy to look me up so okay and they mostly do that और फिर then I'm like oh you've come with a preconceived notion of that this is गुरिश कौर like but it's also unfair कि तुम्हें मेरे बारे में इतना कुछ पता है
I don't know anything
I don't know anything about
because you
you.
have a private account.
yeah so this is just I think a con of being a content
It
creator at
is,
this
and I
point.
also I would have appreciate anybody जिसको मैं मिल रही हूँ, even my friends, anybody, कि they really appreciate this industry that you are a content creator slash influencer,
Yeah.
and they're not like judging you कि
Almost
आप
definitely
ये कर रहे हो.
my work is equally you know
Is
respectable
as good as
and
you're an engineer.
as good as your 9 to 5s as good as you as a corporate worker whatever like yeah it is yeah if somebody gives me that you know the judgment the looks the eyes or the remark like the slightest you know the backhanded compliment
कि
मुझे
influencers
अपने
ऐसे
पास
होते
रख
हैं.
अपना backhanded compliment भैया मैं बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ like please my parents are very proud like
I
shut
know,
up
I know.
so I yeah backhanded compliments is a big ick of mine
But मेरे को लगता है back of everybody's mind ना they have some kind of preconceived notion for influencers or people who are influencers slash content creators and मेरे को लगता है it is hard for them to date.
No, but yes and no. Because I know friends and people who are not even remotely connected to the content creation space, but they're again super inviting and encouraging of the fact that oh you're a creator. That's cool. Like
That's friends, I'm saying.
again, I don't. But no, also I've like met people who are rather encouraging, dude. They're very
I
like.
think
"Oh,
अभी
that's
थोड़ा encourage हो रहा है कि everybody is now creating videos, so there's nothing you can judge.
cool." Yeah, and it's about वही सेम वेवलेंथ और वो वाली चीज़ें मैं ऐसे इंसान के पास जाऊंगी ही नहीं मिलूंगी नहीं बात ही नहीं करूंगी जो पहले ही मुझे यू नो उस जजिंग और गिविंग मी दैट वाइब दैट ओ तू तो इन्फ्लुएंसर है मैं कहा हाँ तो
That's nice.
so
Yeah, but no Instagram before the date.
yeah never dude माँ बाप को बोलो आसान नाम रखे तुम्हारा they can't look you up
Yeah, keep very common name.
I'll go with G I'll go with just
बहुत जी होंगे फिर तो.
lol
I know. I think we are done.
we're done with this episode it was a very fun one
है ना?
अगर
We
तो
had
मजा
like last 3 fun episodes. It was very nice. पिछले 2 भी अच्छे थे. Introvert, extrovert, high value
हाँ
woman.
I think the setup was good for us
Yeah, this is a
You
good
guys let us
setup.
know.
Yeah, you guys let us know कि आपको अच्छा लगा.
है ना?
But that's about it. We are wrapping this episode up, and we'll see you in the next one. And also,
episode.
if you have any dating stories that you want us to,
yeah man
Discuss?
would you guys want to just put in like your dating stories hazards कुछ भी मतलब
भी.
खराब
Horror
experience
stories?
actually horror stories like you know just like the
Yeah.
bad ones tell us your
we
bad
will put
dating
it up
stories
and we'll react and we'll make it
react
fun.
to that stuff yeah just tell us your bad dating stories and experiences कितना मजा आएगा
है ना?
Like,
And we'll
just-
make it fun. I think we'll get it some from Reddit and Twitter next time. They have a lot.
we can do that give us gossip guys
Yeah, we'll react to it. But we'll see you in the next one.
that's all for today bye
Bye.